Hi, my name is Carly and I'm with the BYU Software Training Lab. In this video, we're going to be talking about basic panels in Illustrator. Our panels can be found on the right-hand side of our screen. We have our Properties panel, which changes based on what we have selected. As you can see, right now we have no selection. But if we were to use our Selection tool and select one of these shapes that we have up on our screen, it will change based on what we select. As you can see, we have the rectangle selected, so it shows up as rectangle. We're able to transform this selection as well as change its appearance. We can edit the fill, as well as the stroke, as well as the opacity. If we were to select our next shape, you'll see that the Properties panel will change. It will show that we have a purple fill, a yellow stroke, and a 78% opacity. We also have our Layers panel. This is one of the most important panels in Illustrator. It helps a lot with organization. It'll show you all the different layers that you have and everything that's on those layers. Right now, we just have one layer. If I were to click on this arrow, it would drop down and show me all of the objects that are on this layer. Right now, we just have these two shapes. If you want one of the shapes to be in front of or behind the other, you could go to your Properties panel and click on Arrange and use these options to move the shapes around. You can also right-click on the shape and select Arrange, and it'll give you the same options. But we could also go to our Layers panel. If I want this circle to be in front of this rectangle, I can click and drag up, and that will automatically move my circle to be in front of the rectangle. There are also these icons that look like eyes. If you click on them, it will either hide or bring back the object. Next to the eyes, there's an empty space. If you click there, you're able to lock an object so you cannot move or edit it. To unlock the object, you click on the lock and it will be removed. At the bottom of your Layers panel, you can also create new layers. As you can see, we now have layer 2. There's a different color next to it, which means if I were to create a shape on layer 2, the outline of it would be red. If we go back to layer 1 and select our shape, you'll see that the outline of this shape is blue. This just helps us to distinguish what object is on what layer. So that is just a few of the panel basics in Illustrator. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more, visit our YouTube page where you can find more videos about Illustrator as well as other software programs.